Greetings, salutations, and thanks for joining me for another video. Today, we're going to be reviewing the Evannex Retractable Rear Cargo cover for Tesla Model Y. Now, this video isn't sponsored, but Evannex did ask me if they send it to me if I do an honest review. So that's what we're going to be doing here today. Also, one little note on that, I get contacted by various companies probably a dozen times a week asking the same, and I usually always say no. Now, I only accept it if it's a product I would use or if I find it super interesting. This product allows you to easily hide items from prying eyes, like expensive electronics, or to simply block the sun from your groceries. It's spring-loaded for easy snap-on installation and removal, and uses a certified fit to ensure the measurements are just right. It also uses color matching for a seamless integration into each Model Y. And since getting a new Model Y cargo cover included from Tesla is still hit or miss depending on which factory makes it, and of course older models didn't include it, so this just might be your best option. All right, so let's head outside, let's take it out of the box and do the installation, which should just take a few minutes since it doesn't involve any tools. Now, there's really only 4 attachment parts plus the shade, so the installation is pretty easy. You are going to want to find the correct positions for each part before removing the adhesive backing. Then remove the red adhesive and apply gently until you know you've got the correct position. Then press firmly for 30 seconds on each piece. When applying the front ones, make sure the seatbelt can move freely and isn't interfered with in any way. Each piece is precisely cut, so you'll know when you put it up there where it's supposed to fit. It'll kind of just pop right in. Now that you've got all 4 pieces into place, simply pull back the spring-loaded sides of the shade and attach to the front brackets. Now you can pull the shade back and attach the rear brackets when you want it closed. All right, so I'm back inside and I just kind of wanted to give you my thoughts on this product. And I honestly think it's amazing. Like, the quality is super high. I wasn't sure exactly what to expect, but I was kind of blown away by the quality and how easy it was to set up. The plastic pieces that go on with the adhesive backing, they're not going anywhere for one. Obviously, you can get them off if you need to, like if you have the lease or something like that, but day to day, they're not going anywhere. And they kind of just pop right into place, so there's no real guessing or anything like that on how high to put it. You can see and feel when you put it up there the first time, you can see and feel exactly where it's supposed to go in, and it kind of just pops in. I mean, it's really just 5 pieces. It's the front brackets, the back brackets, and the shade. So, I mean, it's pretty simple installation. My only suggestion at the beginning is to maybe wipe everything down, use a little alcohol, and then just make sure it's a nice clean surface before you put the adhesive backing on. Also, one mistake I made at the beginning was I was trying to pull it back over the top, and actually you have to pull it back over the bottom, and then it kind of comes up and locks into place. So just make sure that, yeah, you pull it underneath, and then it pops into place, and then when you want to retract it, you pull and then go under, and then it goes right back. Yeah, I mean, I think this is a great product if you want to keep prying eyes away from things like an iPad or a laptop or something like that that's in the back. Or of course, like I mentioned earlier, if you just have groceries and you just don't want the hot sun kind of melting everything that's in there, just put that up. And with even the tent on the back of my car, I couldn't see anything. It was like completely black. You could go like this, it wouldn't matter. You couldn't see anything. One other aspect which I really liked was that when I go camping and I don't want it in there because I'm going to use it for a bed back there, I can easily just pull the spring in on one side and just take it out and lay it on the floor in the back seat, or just leave it in my garage. And then when I get back from camping, just grab it, pop it back in. Pretty easy. Yeah, I would say that this is probably one of the very few must-have accessories for most Tesla owners. If your Model Y didn't come with a retractable cover in the back, I would say this is a must-have accessory, and I rarely say that. Now, Evannex was nice enough to give a $10 off discount to all my viewers, so I will put a link in the description below, and you can use promo code Bryan Hauer 10, and that will save you $10 on any order over $100. All right, so I think that about wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed it and want to see more like it, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next travel, quick tip, or review video. Thanks for watching.